Bonjour, welcome to my room at Hotel Baume. Come on in. I stayed in their deluxe terrace room, where alongside the desk and television is where you'll find the European king-size bed, surrounded by closets on both sides, which is also where they restock complimentary water daily, a safe, robes and slippers, and plenty of room to hang your clothes. There's also a seating area where you'll find an espresso machine right before you head out onto your private balcony that gives you a fantastic view of the Odeon Theater. It is also a fabulous place to have a cocktail before heading out for dinner. Now back to the room. There is a shower bathtub with a sink in one room, while the toilet is in a separate room. Very convenient. Hotel Baume is a chic boutique Parisian hotel that exudes 1930s elegance that you see throughout the lobby. This is also where you can indulge in a beverage or the made-to-order breakfast that I highly recommend including in your stay. My favorite part though, it being in a great location in the Latin Quarter of Paris. I hope you enjoyed checking out Hotel Baume with me. For more information, check out the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized. Au revoir.